everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. I'm picking up out for the day what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, PA weather, a bit of life in there, and you get some puppies. I am up to 4 puppies somehow. I don't really know how it happened, but they're just here for fun and because they like to hang out with me. All right, so I sure hope you stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe, and if I didn't say it, I'm Laura if you're new. All right, so it is Sunday morning. We had really bad thunderstorms yesterday. It is 69 degrees right now. It's supposed to get up to 78, and I think we have a chance of rain like in the middle of the day, but for the most part, it should be a nicer day, though a bit cloudy. We still have some of the effects of the Canada fires, but I'm hoping those are under control, and they got rain too, so fingers crossed, and things seem to be a little bit better. I had a long late night last night. We were at my dad's house. I think, as I said, I've got to get, as I said in my last video, right, I have to get everything cleaned out. For me, it's Monday because I leave Tuesday for work, and Tuesday for my husband because they're taking everything that we don't keep. So at that point, I have someone coming and he will donate all the stuff that's donatable and get rid of all the stuff that isn't. So that all happens Tuesday. We have to be cleared out. And Monday I also have to sign the closing papers. So it's a bit of a crazy week I'm heading into. Travel, house closing, dad settling. Yes, I'm a tad stressed, but it's all going to be okay. So for my outfit today, I am casual. I have on cut from the cloth shorts that I got in a Trendsend. I have on a chaser tank that is so old, but also from a Trendsend. I love it. For shoes, these are also from a Trendsend. They're sorrels. Aren't those cute? I've really taken them back off, so that's a weird way to show you. And they're easy. They're Velcro, and that's my outfit. I didn't put any jewelry on today. We're gonna go as I am and get as much done as I can today. I hope your week starts off amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday. It is 10:30 in the morning, 69 degrees, getting up to 80 today. Thought I'd better hurry up and get this done before my day spins out of control. I have to go sign closing papers today, get to the house. They're actually cleaning everything out today and tomorrow. And I'm traveling tomorrow, so I'm going to miss tomorrow's clean out. So lots happening all at once. I went to see my dad last night. He hates the assisted living facility at this moment. He wants to go back to the skilled nursing. I'm hoping that this is because he just got used to that place, and then we moved him again. And hopefully once he gets used to the new place, he'll like it. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen, but he was really miserable when we saw him yesterday and wanting to go back. At least he's not asking to go back home. That would probably hurt my heart even more. Anyway, so for my outfit today, as I try to begin this crazy week that I feel like is one I just need to survive, I have on a Skort from the Loft paired with an Evereve top I got in a Trendsend, and my shoes are by Dolce Vita, also from a Trendsend, just little flats. I have on a necklace my husband got me, a bracelet stack, and we're going to power forward as much as we can. Hope your week's going well. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. It's just before 5 o'clock in the morning, about 1:45. Pitch black outside, so we're out with the bugs, I think, this morning. And I've got to hit the road, so we're going to do this quickly. For my outfit today, I have cut from the cloth pants on. I have a tank from, I think this one is from Marine Layer that I got in a Stitch Fix. I have on a jacket from Evereve that I got in a Trendsend. My belt is Loft, and my shoes are Splendid, also from a Trendsend. How cute are those? I love the little gold on there. I have like mixed metals today. For jewelry, I have on a necklace that my husband got me, my bracelet stack. We're off and running. All right, I hope your week's still going well, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. Time for outfit of the day. It is 6:30 in the morning, 68 degrees. It is supposed to get up to 81. I'll be inside all day, but I think it's going to be a beautiful day. And let's see, it was a really emotional day yesterday for my husband and I. it was Monday as well. In fact, I had to leave my parents' house. I couldn't watch them clean it out. I had to leave my husband there. It's emotional for him because he's gone through this already with his parents, and both his parents are gone now. And so he was really having a hard time as well. And then I had to be at work yesterday, and he finished everything up. So it's done now. The house is cleaned. He and I are feeling a little beat up, I guess maybe is a good word, upset, traumatized. Maybe I'm being dramatic. But yeah, it was pretty tough. But the house is cleaned out. I've signed the closing papers. They'll officially close tomorrow. And that's that. And let's see. Let's move on because I'm obviously a little emotional about that, and I've got to get to work. So we're not going to get my face all teary. My armoire posted today. It's such a good one. A lot of dresses, shorts and a top, which I already wore. You would have seen an outfit of the day, but it was a really good armoire. And for my outfit today, I chose a dress. I have on a dress from Evereve and shoes that are Louise Etsy I've had forever. I have on the necklace my husband got me. I have on my Evie bralettes on, my bracelet stack, and that's it. I'm off for the day. I hope you have an awesome one. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It's 58 degrees out. It's getting up to 79 today. The sun's already out. It was a beautiful day yesterday. It really was. I think it's going to be another nice day today. The weekend, we'll see what happens, but it should be a nice day. For my outfit today, I have on a Michael Stars pair of pants. I have on a Michael Stars navy tank, paired it with this amazing jacket I just love. I know I shared it with you in one of my hauls. It's by Ralph Lauren. I got it at Nordstrom. And for shoes, I went clear today. These are my clear Dolce Vitas. My feet, I do so much walking that hopefully I can wear these all day, but I always bring an extra pair of shoes, like a flip-flop or something to put on in case my feet start to hurt. So hopefully I make it the whole day. Quick update on my dad. He's in the hospital. He was admitted yesterday. He woke up and told the assisted living people that his leg was hurting. He couldn't stand up. His leg was swollen. They called the on-site nurse. They called the on-site doctor. And it is swollen. There was some discoloration. They were very worried about a blood clot, so they got him to the ER. And he does have a blood clot. He has potassium is also out of whack. So they are managing that right now. I expect he'll be in the hospital for a few days, and hopefully he can get back to the assisted living and get settled, because I feel like he hasn't been in one place long enough in these last 6 weeks or so to really feel settled or know what's going on. The house closing is today, so that'll be official. I do think I made the right decision based on everything that's happened, but it's really hard. It's hard. Anyway, that's the latest. It's an ever-changing situation. I'm telling you, it's hard for me to keep up. I'll see you tomorrow. It'll be Friday. Hey, everybody. It is Friday. Time for outfit of the day. It is 8:30 in the morning. I'm getting this done early because I'm going to go see my dad at the hospital and then work, and then I have an appointment later. So just a busy day. So I thought I better hurry and get this done before the day gets away from me. It is 63 degrees, getting up to 79 today. It looks nice. Hopefully it is nice today and this weekend. We'll see. And let's see, for my Friday Funny, I have another story for you. So my husband and I, as you know, I talked about it last year, spent a lot of time putting an invisible fence in this yard so that the dogs can't get out, right? Dexter and Loki do not care about the invisible fence. They will just, Dexter, you can even see himself shore himself up as he darts right through it. It's crazy. So, and Loki is kind of half and half. Sometimes he's afraid of it, sometimes he's not. So, and they definitely know when they don't have their collars on, and they'll just run right through it and disappear. And they love going to my neighbor's house and exploring all of her yard, and it's crazy. So for Loki, we switched back to the little Zap collar that is just has the remote. So it's not, you know, it's not the yard. It just has a remote with it. And all we have to do with him is hit the noise. You don't have to even, because it goes noise, then it vibrates, and then it zaps him high, low, okay? All you have to do is hit the button with the noise, and now Loki will come right back and do everything he's supposed to do. And he gets really insulted by the fact that you even did it. So we got him a little bit under control. Dexter still wasn't reacting even at the high zap. Like, he just was not behaving. So while I was gone this week for work, my husband went and got a sport dog version of the shock collar, and now he seems to finally be responding. It's crazy how training every dog is so different. Willie doesn't really leave. You don't have to worry about Willie. Willie doesn't even leave the yard. Tico can wander off a little bit, so you just have to keep an eye on him, and if I even do this and say come back, he'll come back. But Loki and Dexter, whole different stories. So now Dexter has a special collar so we can try to make sure he doesn't run away or get lost, etc. All right, and for today's outfit, I have on denim cutoffs from Z Supply, paired it with a tank from Michael Stars. Michael Stars has the best basics: tees, tanks, pants, sweaters, just those cozies you like to grab over and over again. And then on top, I put this cute little Maeve cardigan, we'll call it, little sweater top. I'm in love with this. I just got it from Anthropology. And then for shoes, I put on these Vince Camutos, little wedges that I got from, I think Vince Camuto. I think this pair I got from Vince Camuto. And that's my outfit. For jewelry, I put on a necklace from Curator. I put on an Ana Luisa bracelet, and we're just off and running. All right, I will see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. It is, let's see, 8:30 in the morning. I'm off to breakfast with my friend, and I think it's going to be a nice day out today. So I love hearing the birds chirping, and yeah, it's nice out here right now. The temperature is amazing. 67. It's getting up to 81. All right, let's see, my Loft haul posted today, and again, I think it is such a good one. Of course, I picked these pieces, but such a fun Loft haul. Love it. Great for vacations too. And for my outfit today, I chose a one and done. My brain wasn't really functioning to be able to pick out a bunch of pieces today, so it was one and done. And I picked out this dress from Evereve. Got it in a Trendsend. Paired it with these shoes from Dolce Vita. Also came in a Trendsend quite a while ago. I like the little wedge. I was going to put on gold, but I feel like I wear the gold all the time, so we switched it out. And then my jewelry is simple. I just have on the necklace my husband got me. I have on my bracelet stack, and we're off. We're off, and that's it for the week. We survived the week. I survived the week. It was questionable at times, but I did it. I will list all of my outfits down below. I'll link directly to an item if I can. Many come from boxes, so of course all the box links are down below. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to comment and tell me what your favorite was. Hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype so I can keep on going. And I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.